Behind the design, high heel cup height. This client needed a custom orthotic to help provide rear foot stability in combination with footwear choice. The patient presented with an unstable, hypermobile rear foot with a history of ankle sprains. They chose a combination of design variables to achieve the outcome. The aim of this orthotic was to provide increased rear foot control and stability with a custom orthotic. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the high heel cup option from the heel cup height selections in the digital corrections section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include an overall heel cup height above 16 mm on a standard or comfort shell shape, increased control and shoe fit requirements. A high heel cup will still fit a standard shoe style, including sports shoes and work boots. However, extra depth footwear may be required, including custom footwear on boots with a very high heel cup. Orthotip. The control provided by a high heel cup will depend on the orthotic shell material. Shank-independent materials, including polypropylene and 3D printed polymers, will provide increased control in comparison to shank-dependent EVA. A high heel cup can also be part of a UCBL device, which includes a medial flange, a lateral flange, and a high heel cup. Please note that the footwear should be considered before prescribing a high heel cup.